In the continuation of this video series, which is totally based on the vaccine, we need vaccine for the real individual growth. Today, it is very important discussion point. How do you manage your careers? How you manage your careers so that you can succeed in the second half? What should we take care point in the first phase of your careers so you can succeed in the second half? This we try to know what the reason why 90% people are not successful in the second half, why they are success in the first half. So first reason of this answer is that the nature of the organization pyramid. In the lower base of this pyramid, there is a huge opportunity of the employment. But if you move ahead in the upper side, the role of senior people is limited. But it doesn't mean there is no scope of moving ahead of your career for the senior positions. But it need times. It take times. It takes some patience, and along with you have to retain your performance. You have to show your attitude. You have to show your spirit. So this is the one reason. Second is that impact of the boss, impact of the process, impact of the management is highly positive in the first half. I am giving the example of the banking systems. Banking process, banking system is so much strong and so much degenerated that if every employee are putting effort honestly, they get the answer and they get the success in the first half. But in the second half, the person who successful in the first half, once they will go in the second phase, there is a need to new scale up of their system. There is a need of the getting new matter where you can provide the answer to your employee. But we know that our atmosphere, our environment is totally influenced by the uncertainty, ambiguous volatility, and we have to scale up new things in every moment of our life. Many people are unable to develop new matter in the second boss, because the role of boss in the second phase is very limited. There is a limited role. So my dear friend, impact of boss in the second half is very limited. This is the one of the reason. Third is that preparation of the next level. Suppose if anyone to be the CEO of the company, they are the heading of the one functional department. Suppose we take the example of the sales department. They are very highly successful. If they want to successful as a CEO of this organizations, there is a need to prepare for the other functioning department like the HRs, IT, R&D, back office process systems, technology. But many people are unable. They are reluctant to prepare for these levels. So overall, this is the one of that reason many people are unable to succeed in the second half. And more important things I will like to share that in the first phase of careers, what you manage. If you understand this managing stuff in your first half, then it is very easy to understand. And how can you improve this one? You are managing your delaying the gratification. Delaying gratification is that if you want to get instant satisfaction, instant gratification. You want to be the CEO of the age of the 35 year, 40 year. You want to be the MD of the 45 years. You want to the VP of the very early years. I am giving the example of the art industry. Suppose if any junior artists are working under of the senior artists, and senior artist is providing learning how can make the craft, how can you designs. So after the passing the year of 2-3 years, junior artists start getting all the knowledge and they become the artists. So they start feeling that due to their effort, due to their working, I design, I make this craft, but the credit is not in my favor. Credit has gone to my senior artist, my boss. So they start this mindset of the delaying gratifications, and they took the decision of leaving their job. So this is the one of the reason, because they have to understand there is still some room for the getting knowledge, getting expertise on this art industry. They unable to get major learning cycles. They meanwhile they left their company. So this is the one of the reason. Second is that to be the pressure to be the best in the rat race. Many people in right now, they are competing their self with someone's. They want to be superiors in the result, in the showing the result. So in this rat race, they forget the what should be the important. They forget there is a need of the sharpen their axe. There is a need of the enhancing the capability. There is a need of the developing the methods. It can be possible through the get better of the getting betters. So my dear friend, being the best in this rat race, they are falling in the rabbit hole. They are falling in this trap. They have to understand that in the futures, if you want to sustain your performance, there is a need of break. There is a need of your mindset. How can you develop new skills, get better method, which is very helpful to get success in your second half. So my dear friend, ultimately this is the overall we have to manage the delaying the gratifications, pressure to be the best rate, and how can you, what should be remedy, how can you get rid of, how can you overcome from these problems, so that you can succeed in the second half. My dear friend, once you start your job, once you are in the first phase of your careers, once you get the answer from your boss, if you feel any problem, then you have to ask your boss, what is the methodology to get this answer, how you develop these matters. If you make practice, make habit, not only depend on knowing the answer, but also knowing the matters, it is very helpful to build your foundation, build your pillar, where you can succeed in the second half. And depth versus wide, you should try the depth knowledge. Depth knowledge means that, suppose if you are in the Mumbai of 10 years, 15 years, but other candidate, they have the experience of the other different city like the Calcutta, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Nagpur, and they have experience of 2 years of the each city. So this is the wide knowledge. In this information age, depth knowledge is very important. It will be very helpful to build your foundations. So this is the more important, depth versus wide, and try to get the major learning cycle. Do not leave meanwhile. Do not leave to getting the gratifications, getting the instant gratification from your career life. It needs some time. It needs keep patience. So my dear friend, this is the ultimately what we discuss, which is very helpful to build your careers. We should develop our mindset where we are going to achieve in our career. Begin with the end of the mind. If you develop your end of your career, be the CEO, be the MD of this your functional department, your company. So start working from today. So that is called the begin with the end of the mind, and it is a very important. So my dear friend, your objective can be fulfilled if you start working smartly, if you start working very appropriate